In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Hubstaff. If you want to update your password for security reasons, or simply replace an old one with something easier for you to manage, Hubstaff makes the process fairly quick. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, make sure you're already logged into your Hubstaff account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner. You should see the person icon next to your profile area. Go ahead and click that icon. This opens the account-related menu where you can access your personal settings. From that menu, select My Account. This will take you to your account page where you can manage personal details and login-related settings. If your screen looks a little different, don't worry. Just look for the section that contains your account information. Once you're on the account page, click on Password. This is the section where Hubstaff allows you to update your login credentials. Opening this area will show the fields you need to complete in order to make the change. First, type in your current password. This is an important security step because it confirms that you are the account owner making the update. Be sure to enter it carefully, especially if your password includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, or special characters. Next, type in your new password. Choose something strong and secure that you haven't used before if possible. A good password is usually longer and combines different character types. Try to avoid anything too obvious or easy to guess. After that, confirm the new password by typing it again in the confirmation field. This helps make sure there are no typing mistakes. Since passwords are often hidden on screen, entering it twice is the best way to verify that both entries match exactly. Once all three fields are complete, click Save. Hubstaff will then process the change and update your password. If everything was entered correctly, your new password should take effect right away. As a final tip, make sure you remember the new password or store it in a secure password manager. That can save you time later and help prevent login issues. And that's it. You've successfully changed your password in Hubstaff.